I live on the water in both of my homes, one in the Florida Keys and one in northern Michigan, two very different climates. But those of us who live in coastal areas were dressing in the coastal casual style long before the fashion industry gave it that cringy coastal grandmother name. So today, I am showing you my Spring Coastal Casual Capsule Wardrobe. For my Spring Coastal Capsule Wardrobe, these are the pieces I would start with. A beige linen tunic and a blue and white striped button-up. You can always shop these items through the link in the description by scanning the QR code on screen and also by shopping some of these items in the description directly. I would also go with two sweater tees, an ivory, and I love this beige and ivory striped sweater tee. Very soft, both are cashmere at a budget price. And then I would add this long sleeve beige and ivory stripe for chilly days like yesterday. And of course, some white wide leg pants and some beige linen pants. And then I would include a pair of blue jeans and a pair of ivory denim jeans as well. And let's not forget about the dress I'm wearing here, but I would also add some sort of pashmina or wrap. I don't think you need a cashmere for this time of year. I like this one that's a little lighter weight for those times of day that are chilly, and it pairs perfectly with the dress right here. So let's talk about the coastal casual aesthetic. It is embodied by that laid back, easy breezy, beachy vibe, whether you're in a warm climate like the Florida Keys or a cooler climate like the Great Lakes. And the fabrics are breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. This dress here is linen, and you should be able to shop it directly in the description below or through the little shopping bag that appears on screen. The color palette mimics where the sea meets the sand. So here the beige mimics the sand, and you'll see some blues as well that mimic the sea. I don't have any muted seafoam greens in this one, but I'm definitely looking. And this is a lovely dress for Sunday brunch, or perhaps you have a bridal shower or baby shower coming up this season. So let me be clear. You don't have to live in a coastal town or a beach town to wear coastal casual. You can wear it anywhere. The hallmark of this style is comfort and timeless classic pieces. So you want to prioritize comfort first in what you're wearing, like these loose-fitting linen pants. These are actually from Amazon. I have a 26-inch inseam if that helps you size them. And I've paired it with this linen tunic for a monochromatic look, offset by the brown leather slide sandals. Just gives that easy, breezy, beachy vibe like you just threw it on and walked out the door. I love how this muted blue color here mimics the color of the sea or the lake shore. And here, while I usually wear my shirt untucked, I'm just going to tie this up in a knot to even out the proportions. And I've paired it with the beige linen pants from Amazon, and then these slide sandals are also from Amazon. And now I look like I am ready for a walk down the boardwalk, or ready to step out onto the sand for a walk as well. but some days in spring require a little more warmth than others. And I love this short sleeve cashmere tee because it provides warmth to my torso while still having all the spring feels, and I've paired it with my linen pants, and I'm going to use the pashmina here just to keep me a little extra warm for this look. This is the same style of cashmere sweater t-shirt here, but I really love this beige color with the ivory stripes. You know that I'm not big on prints. I've done an entire video on it, but stripes are okay, and these stripes just add some interest to the outfit. Yesterday was one of those days when it was not quite so warm this spring, and it required this long sleeve cashmere sweater. I love this one for two reasons. It is super soft, there is no itch to it, and it's at a budget price. It's about half the price of regular cashmere, and you should be able to shop this sweater in the description below or by clicking directly on the shopping basket on the screen. It's also available by scanning the QR code and through the link in the description. I want to point out something quickly. When you're wearing button-down shirts untucked, I like to open up the collar and secure it in place with fashion tape, and that just gives it more of a relaxed feel. You can either wear it untucked here like I'm doing, or you can knot it up. I just chose to wear it untucked and be comfortable here. I've paired it with the ivory jeans. Normally I would pair the blue with white, but I really like how the blue and ivory go together here. Next, I'm pairing the beige linen tunic with the ivory jeans. And a word on footwear here. I am wearing some very comfortable rubber-soled loafers here with arch support. You'll see me wearing my canvas sailing sneakers frequently. The fashion industry wants you to believe that you have to wear espadrilles and sandals to achieve that coastal casual look. But the truth is we wear a lot of loafers and canvas sailing sneakers. These provide for safety footwear also when you're walking around uneven boardwalks or you're walking on the dock. But we've reached that age where espadrilles may not be an option for us. So slight change here. I've swapped out the ivory jeans for these white slimming crop pants. Not only do they slim through the front, but they also give a little lift in the back area. So we have both tummy control and a little lift on the back side. And I love the crop length. It definitely has a little bit of a beachy nautical vibe to it. And that's because You either want to roll your pants up or wear a crop pant so that when the sea laps over your feet as you're walking down the beach, your pants legs don't get wet and you don't get sand on your pants legs. Now I am pairing that baby blue with a thin white stripe button up with those same slimming crop pants, and I'm going to knot these at the waist to even out the proportions. Gives it a very casual feel. And again, I am wearing the rubber-soled loafers in an ivory or bone color this time. Very nautical, beachy, easy breezy vibe to this outfit here. I have it knotted at the waist, but you're free to untuck it as well. In this look, I am wearing blue jeans with the linen tunic and my favorite starfish necklace. But let me just point something out. This is something that would be acceptable to wear in town. It would not be acceptable to wear boating or on the docks. If it is a secured dock area, wearing blue jeans is a sign to security that you do not belong there. Blue jeans are just something that sailors and boaters don't wear. They're not practical for the activity. But if you are in town and shopping or going to lunch, this is a good look here. Again, here is that super soft sweater that I love so much. If you live in a northern area, then you understand the concept of spring sweaters. Spring sweaters are generally lighter weight than winter sweaters, lighter color, for those days that are very chilly like yesterday. And I just love this with blue jeans. It was so comfortable. Until we meet again, my friends.